Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Drive API for dataset ingestion, beginner guide step-by-step clear. To authenticate with the Google Drive API for dataset ingestion, start by visiting the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project by selecting the Select a Project drop-down. Click on New Project and provide a name for your project. Once the project is created, make sure it is selected in the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the APIs and Services section. Click on Library to access the available APIs. Search for Google Drive API in the search bar. Once located, click on it and then select the Enable button. With the API enabled, return to APIs and Services and open the Credentials tab. Click on Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. You may need to configure the consent screen before creating your OAuth Client ID. Select the user type that suits your needs, either internal or external. Fill in the required information, including the application name and support email. After configuring the consent screen, return to create the OAuth Client ID. Choose Desktop App as the application type. Name your OAuth client and click on Create. Make sure to download your credentials by clicking on Download next to the created OAuth client. Store this JSON file securely, as it contains your authentication credentials. Now, to authenticate programmatically, install the Google Client Library for your coding environment. If you are using Python, use pip to install the library. Run the command pip install upgrade Google API Python client Google auth hitlib to Google authauth. After the installation, import the necessary libraries in your code. Load the credentials JSON file you downloaded earlier. Use the from_client_secrets_file method to create a flow object. Set the appropriate scopes for file access, such as https://www.googleapis.com/auth/drive . Call the run_local_server method to initiate the authentication flow. A browser window will open for you to log in and authorize access. Once authorized, the credentials will be stored in a token file for future use. With this, you can now programmatically access and ingest datasets from Google Drive. Remember to handle the token expiration and refresh it as needed for long-term access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.